Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motor Cars here in Rogers, Minnesota, northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota, and a mere 45 minutes away from the Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport. For those of you who want to come down and look at something in person, we're happy to have you come on down. Today we're going to talk about our latest edition, and is it a special one? Tell you what, we've only had one other one of these in the 30-some years that I've been here, a 1959 Chevrolet Impala Convertible with a 348 to boot. Boy, you're going to want to watch this entire video from start to finish because we do a nice walk around, do a cold start. You can actually hear how great that dual exhaust sounds on that 348. And this is no exception to the rule. And this car is just loaded with goodies. Yes, you can click on the link in the description. It'll take you right to our website where you have pricing, more information on this car, and have access to over 100 additional vehicles we have on our sales floor at this time. You can check out our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. If you're looking for a specific car, there's a car finder. If you're looking for something from the 1920s all the way up into the 2000s and beyond, Ellingson Motor Cars may just have that dream car sitting right on our sales floor, just waiting for you to give us a call. 763-428-7337. And we're here to answer your questions. But let's get into these cars, because 1959 for me is kind of the end of the era. The 1950s are coming to a close. Chevrolet is going out on a limb. They're trying to make stuff really special, really unique. And I mean, their cars are changing. I mean, you compare a 1959 to a 1958, they look like totally different cars all the way around. And this particular one, of course, we're starting to get into the muscle car world. We're starting into bigger motors. This has the famous 348 V8 engine, 4-barrel under the hood. Plus, whoever ordered this car, which is in beautiful Roman red, which is as good a color as you can get, has the 348 with power steering, which is really a very, very nice feature on any of these cars. I mean, these cars are starting to weigh 4,000 pounds, give or take, and power steering is really a nice feature. It's got power brakes, more performance, more speed. The speed limit, people are driving faster. Nice to have power brakes as well. I always like when you look here, this gives you the indication right away that this car means business. She's got a little bit more ponies under the hood than say your little 283 or even a 6-cylinder, which you certainly could get in any car at any time. Nice chrome all the way around on this car. But yes, they made so many changes from the 58. I mean, it's much lower, sleeker, wider. I love the old airplanes or the spears on the fenders. As a kid, that was one of my favorite things to always look at. Then, of course, every year they changed hubcaps. In 1959, with the spinner like this, with the emblem in the center, wow, that is really a classy looking hubcap. With the wide whites, of course, correct for the period. But whoever ordered this car in 1959, they must have checked off every little box you could almost imagine. It's got dual outside mirrors. Mirrors, of course, being really nice when driving and parking. But you look on the inside of this car, beautiful interior, the vinyl with the silver accents, tri-tone, and in the seat inserts, beautiful door panels. Plus, now here's what I really get a kick out of this car. It's got power windows. Even the vent window is powered. It's got power seat. You can make the seat adjust many different ways. It's got the aftermarket, well, not aftermarket, a factory Kleenex box dispenser. Aftermarket stereo looks like in there, so you can listen to all your tunes when you're cruising in your 59. But up on the front fender, up there on the dash, Autronic Eye, which would automatically dim your headlights when you had an oncoming car coming at you. Click, click. They would go on and off, car goes by, click, click, goes back to brights. Talk about something really special. And of course, beautiful top all the way around, power top, brand new boot right here, just really accents this whole thing. And look at this, dual antennas. It's just really, just as all that stuff that makes the car special. And of course, the one big added feature that many of these cars just makes them look more 50s, whatever, a Continental kit. You know, remember, you still have lots of room in that trunk for a couple sets of golf clubs or whatever you need to carry around with you. But look at those taillights, cat eye taillights. Oh, and man, I remember our neighbor had one of these when I was a kid. His was a 4-door. Man, they just had such a cool look with the fins, rather than sticking up. The fins got laid out smoother, looks more aerodynamic, if you will. dual exhaust on this car, backup lights. Yes, they just really did a tremendous job. Whoever did this car when they first ordered it, they did a great job all the way around. And of course, automatic transmission. This one has actually been upgraded to a Turbo 350, which is really, really nice, a little more reliable, a little more flexibility than the original Power Glide. It's just one of those things that, you know, nice to have. It's got several other things. It's got the Speedminder. Now, that's something I've never seen. I don't quite know exactly how it works myself, but it was something that would monitor your speed. So if you wanted to set something and you didn't want to get caught speeding, which, boy, a car like this would be really easy to do, that's something that it had. And again, like I said, Autronic Eye, power window seat, man, seat belts all the way around, which is nice in the front for our passengers, and beautiful carpet with nice Impala floor mats. I mean, this car really has a spectacular look. Now, you can find all of our cars on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. We appreciate it very much, and you have all the information right at your fingertips on this car, our current inventory. It's kind of some fun stuff to do. Some of our cars we sold over the past several years as well. So if you got time to peruse those sites, it really is kind of fun. Well, the other thing I always recommend is, you know, if you buy a Chevrolet or you buy a Ford, Studebaker, Hudson, join the local clubs. I mean, they're always happy to see. And a 59 Impala, oh my gosh, you'd be a celebrity if there ever was one. If you showed up at any car show, car meet, whatever, with one of these, it would really set you apart from everybody. Plus, you'll meet Mr. Wrench, and he might help you if you have any questions about mechanical things or whatever. It's just always a nice thing to do. The other thing you can do is go to our website. As I would explain, we have a toolbar where you'll see current inventory, all of our stuff that's listed. We'll have specials that are on there as well. Plus, we have a thing called Car Finder. So if there's a specific car you're looking for, say you want a different car, but you really don't know where to find one, put your information in there. In the event that we get one of those cars, you're going to be the first one we're going to give a call to. The other thing we can help you with is financing. You know, what does it take to get this car into your driveway? Going to the local banks and credit unions is a little challenging sometimes, whereas this particular car, you can go right to some of our vendors. We can help you with that as well. Get this car financed for the terms that you're looking for, whatever, because they know what a 59 Impala Convertible is and what it's all about, which is kind of special. Now, yes, 1959 was one of those really great years, just something that really set itself apart from everybody. And beautiful, like I said, Roman red paint, beautiful car, body off. This is a restored car all the way around. It is second to none. So if you're looking for something really unique, you're looking for something special, nobody else in the neighborhood is going to have one of these. This is where Ellingson Motor Cars probably is one of our shining star moments to have it. Now, the other thing we can do is, you say, well, I love the car, but I live in California, or I live in Texas, Florida. We can help with shipping as well. So no problems. We have sources that can ship cars any place in the world for that matter. So don't let that stop you if you're watching this in a foreign country and said, we'd like to have one of these. We'll help you get that done as well. Well, thank you very much for watching our video tonight. I mean, 1959, again, the end of an era, the last of the 50s. And I think Chevrolet really did an outstanding job. And you want something unique that nobody else in the neighborhood has, 1959 Impala, top of the line. This would just be the cat's meow. Remember, the cat eye taillights. Thank you kindly, and we'll visit and see you next time at EllingsonMotorCars.com.